In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up to your Wix website using the Wix Editor. We'll start by opening up the Wix Editor or the more advanced Wix Studio in Google Chrome. It's often helpful to use Chrome for its compatibility and smooth performance when navigating through different web design applications. Once you've logged into your Wix account and opened your desired project, we can dive straight into bringing your pop-up to life. Head over to the Wix App Market. This is your treasure trove of features and tools designed to help you enhance your website's functionality and user experience. Now you have two options. You can either search for a pop-up app that meets your needs or, if you prefer, utilize the built-in Lightbox feature. The Lightbox is an elegant, versatile tool ideal for creating those engaging pop-ups without needing additional app installations. Decide which option best aligns with your vision for the website. Once you've chosen your route, it's time to get creative. Start customizing your pop-up content. This is where your creativity and brand identity truly shine. Consider the message you want to convey, whether it's a welcome message, an announcement, or a simple call to action. Then, think about the design. Choose colors, fonts, and layout styles that complement your existing website theme while ensuring readability and visual appeal. Beyond content and design, focus on the trigger settings. These settings determine how and when your pop-up will make an appearance. You might want it to pop up after a certain time delay or once a visitor has scrolled down a specific section of your page. Each trigger setting can significantly impact visitor engagement, so tailor these features to enhance the user experience thoughtfully. Once you're satisfied with the content design and triggers, it's time to integrate the pop-up with your website pages. Make sure it's added to those sections where it can provide the most value, be it the home page, product pages, or during checkout processes. This strategic placement can help guide your visitors towards the actions you want them to take, boosting interaction and potentially conversions. After configuring everything to your liking, the final crucial step is to save your work, ensuring all your custom settings and designs are secure. Remember, saving frequently during your editing session is a good practice to avoid any accidental loss of information. With everything saved, go ahead and publish your website. This step is what makes your changes live, allowing the world to see your beautifully crafted pop-up in action. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated a pop-up into your Wix website, enhancing its interactivity and user engagement. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.